Hey YouTubers, it's Jeremy here. We're getting on the feeder road for 45, headed over here toward Clear Lake to see what's going on. It's getting pretty windy. We're probably having wind gusts anywhere from 35 to 40 miles an hour right now. We are in the storm chasing mobile, so in case we hit any high water. But as you can see around, all the businesses here are shut down. Everybody's pretty much closed up around here. There's a few cars on the road. There's a few police officers up here blocking some of the exits. As far as boarding up, most people have already done that and left. So right now we're on our way to check Clear Creek and see what it looks like. So we're about 6 hours out. We'll give you an update here in another 20 minutes. Bye.